Is voice clear? Voice is clear and board is fully visible, I think. I want full board. If voice clear, you start. Okay. 1 minute. Take the question. I will dictate the question. Write the question because I want to write somewhere here. Because I will put little light line. Because difficult rub. This is little dark pen. I will write it little light. So that that is visible for you. See. First I will give the question for you. Correctly copy the question. I will give the question in words. Question I will give words, then you convert to sketch. Okay. See. Now, one more thing is there. This question I will make 2 in 1. See. Central portion UDL with point loads. And there is one more principle. If couples are there. If couples are there at the ends, there is no problem. Nothing to worry. But if a couple is there in between, one extra concept is there. I will tell that also. I will tell that also today. So 2 in 1 will make. Instead of wasting time, 2 in 1. So this question covers partial UDL and having gap on either side. If gap is only one side, see somewhere there, I prepared 2 questions there. I just now, that's why little delayed. 7 o'clock, suddenly I remembered. I have to set the question. So at 7:30 I came here. I prepared 2 questions with the answer. See, it took around 10 minutes. I had to get all the values. Supports, reactions, support slopes, deflection at so many points. So around 7-8 minutes it took. So for 2 questions, it may take 1 hour for you later. See, question. Don't see anything on the board now. Do not see anything on the board. See. A simply supported beam, I am dictating by words. Hearing the words, prepare the sketch. A simply supported beam of span, I will put here, see, of span, little bigger I will write here. Little bigger, little wet actually, it should become little dry. Okay. Somewhere here. A simply supported beam of span 15 meter. So, this is 15 meter. Okay, see now. 15 meter. Full visible there. Okay, 15 meter is loaded by and UDL, see correctly, I'll put span here because I put so many details are there. Span is 15 meter. I'll call this as A, this as B. E is loaded by UDL of 18 kN per meter and 1 minute, 13 and 8. 18 kN per meter, see I am in the question, 18 kN per meter, comma, 7 meter long, which starts at 4 meter from left end. Okay, first put that one. From left end, you mark a gap of 4 meter. See, mark a gap of 4 meter. From 4 meter, you mark the UDL for a length of what? Total 7 meter. So 7 meter plus 4, 11 meter. Therefore, anything? I think something wrong. This is 12 meter. Sorry, not 7 meter. 8 meter long. Because see, some small mistake. 8 meter long. UDL of 18 kN per meter. 8 meter long starts at 4 meter from left end. So from left end, start from 4 meter, go for a length of 8 meter. For that portion, there is UDL. How much UDL? UDL is 18 kN per meter. Okay. This is given. Now, if you want, you can tell this distance now. See, from 15, subtract 8 plus 4, 12. This will become 3 meter. I'll round off calculated value. Okay, then further, it is loaded by 2 concentrated loads. First load is at 60 kilonewton at 7 meter from left end. 67 means what? This is 4. So up from here to 12. Somewhere here is the first load. How much? 60 kilonewton. 60 kilonewton. They told 7 meter from left end. Okay. 7 meter from here. Sufficient. Anywhere you can mark. Another load is 90 kilonewton. See, at 1 meter from right end. This is 3 meter. So it is very closer to support. 90 kilonewton at 1 meter from support, right support, AB. Okay, now, not over. In addition, there are 3 couples. First couple of 120 kN meter anti-clockwise at the left end. See, they told anti-clockwise couple of 120 kilonewton meter at the left end, comma. Second couple, clockwise couple of 45 kN meter at right end. This is 40, little that side, because I want to put reaction. A clockwise couple of 45 kilonewton meter. Little small I am writing, space problem. Fully visible, tell me. Space problem, fully visible. Full visible or not? What I wrote just now. Full visible. I wrote second couple is 45 kN meter. Okay. It is looking, B is confusing there. I will put the B here. Okay. Then lastly, one more couple of 75 kN meter at 2 meter from left end. Clockwise couple. So from left end, go for 2 meter. See, this is 2 meter. At 2 meter, a clockwise couple of 75 kilonewton meter. Actually, I will tell you, when I found the reaction, I did not consider the couple. Why? Because I forgot. I thought couple I will cover next question. But then I decided, no, better not waste time. 2 in 1. We will cover partial UDL, that extension of UDL on one side, along with intermediate couple. Therefore, I put the couple. But what I did is, see, I put anti-clockwise 120 here, clockwise 75 and clockwise 45. These 2 couples together will be clockwise 120. This anti-clockwise 120, clockwise 120 will mutually balance. It will not affect the reactions. That is my choice. You don't see that way. When you find the reactions, you write everything. Don't. That is my trick actually. It's a secret. Or if I put some other couple, reaction had changed. Not a big issue. reaction had changed. I thought while change the reaction. Okay. Then, for this question, see, find. What they want is find slopes at supports. First one. Slopes at supports. First one. Second, they want slope and deflection. Slope and deflection at all standard points. At all standard points. That means here, 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 and here. All standard points. And lastly, 3, maximum deflection. Remember, after I explain all the concept, first and second part, you have to do it. Why? How many times over? Over. This is the question. Okay, now, first step. See correctly. First step. You never bother about double integration method, Macaulay's method, this method, that method. First step is equilibrium. Equilibrium means find support reactions. I shouted thousands of times, when you find support reaction, it is direction based, no hogging, sagging, etc. Up sigma Vm clockwise positive, sigma V upward positive. I will do one thing. You should be serious. Therefore, I will not write the steps, because if you go to my SFD BMD course, there are so many examples of finding support reaction. This is one among them. So, but I will dictate. See, I will write sigma m about A equal to 0, take clockwise positive. And one thing, when equilibrium is there, you have to see complete beam. If I take moment here, you have to that side and this side both. Okay, start. You should write. Consider vertical reaction VB here, and there is no space here. No space. Consider, why I have to write it now? Okay, I'll put, this is 120 kN meter. Okay. Vertical reaction VA here. I am not going to write, see here. Put finger at A. Clockwise positive. Minus V, see, when you do support reaction, order is not required. You can write any order. But when you go for bending moment for the Macaulay's method, strictly order to be followed. I will tell once again. See, take moment about A. Minus VB into 15 plus 90 into 14. Why? 15 minus 1 plus 60 into 7 plus 18 kN per meter for 8 meter. 18 into 8 is the total load into bracket 4 plus half of 8. Then plus 45. No into. Plus 45 plus 75. This is clockwise, anti-clockwise. No bending moment. See, this couple you can write like this. Plus 45 plus 75 minus 120 equal to 0. You will get the value of VB. You try later. VB will come plus 188.8 kilonewton. Somebody may comment, he is not explaining reaction on the board. Don't come to my class. You should study my SFD BMD class also. Not only this particular today's class. So, or earlier, one question in deflection of Macaulay's method before starting, I did with the couples only there. See, a marathon question. Okay, then sigma V0. Now, sigma V0. Apply sigma V0 upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus 60, any order, minus 90 minus 18 into 8 equal to 0. Couples are not considered. You will get the value of VA equal to plus 105.2 kilonewton. Okay. After the class, when you are free, going through the recording or watching on the YouTube later, can you find the reaction? Can you write systematic steps and get the reaction? Where I get the mobile here. Can you write the steps and get the reaction? Fast. After the class, what I explained here. Because I am removing it now. Can you solve it? Reactions. Fast. Can you? Yes, okay. Now write a note. Very important. Now the time has come to start Macaulay's method. Point number 1. Select the origin. you can select either A origin or B origin, because this, I am telling 100 times, origin selected should be extreme end of the beam. Now do one thing, because of some statement required, name the points C, D, E, F and G. Name the points. You write one more sketch and name the points. Okay, start. If I take A origin, section should be between the last 2 points G and B on the other side at X from A. Or if I take B origin, section XX should be between the last 2 points on this side between A and C. Clear or not? You should write that one. Clear? How many times told? Clear or not? Based on the origin, decide where is section. You write that way. Okay, now start. This question we will solve twice. First do one thing, solution 1, you write. Solution 1. Consider A as origin. Red I am not using. A as origin, that is left extreme end. Lee. Therefore, immediately make a note. One important note. Since left hand is origin, your theta is anti-clockwise positive later. Not telling once again. Over. With the A origin, consider section XX between G and B. Right there. Consider a section XX between G and B at X from origin A. Okay, now draw a neat sketch of the beam. See here. Then from there, not over. Something little more is there. See, little more statements are there. Here, see. Reaction, reaction. I maintain scale. Don't see these distances. I applied. Now, one important. I told you long back in the class, SFT BMD class, if the couple is given at the ends, you enter it. See, if anti-clockwise given, enter like this. If clockwise given, enter like this. Here, if clockwise given, enter like this. Anti-clockwise given, enter like this. Or end couple, you enter in closing bracket format. Then I told later for you, in case intermediate couple given, do not write like this. It will give confusion. So what to do? I told you, intermediate point, you write it like this. See, here. If clockwise given, write like this. Or if anti-clockwise given, write like this. Remember it or not? Tell me. To avoid confusion of bending moment. Remember it? Remember or not? I told you, if couple given, end couple closing bracket format. Intermediate couple, clockwise means this way, anti-clockwise means this way, shouted so many times earlier. You are not responding. Clear or not clear? It is the old clear. New clear is not there. New clear is not there. I want to confirm voice is clear. 2 reasons. It should be clear, because why? If you studied from me earlier, it will be clear. If someone comes suddenly to this class and tells why, I will tell, don't ask the question. See every class I uploaded in YouTube, then ask me. You cannot come suddenly and ask me why like that. Okay, now so therefore that clockwise 75, see, I wrote like this. Okay, now very careful, see correctly. Don't come to the sketch now. Our A is the origin. Your X goes this way. See, if you want, this is the origin. Section XX should be between the last 2 points here, XX, at X from origin. See, at X from origin, this should be section XX. This is X. Now, don't go there, right here. Once you write, take A origin, consider section XX between the last 2 points on the other side, G and B at X from A. Then write immediately. In Macaulay's method, it is compulsory that section XX, this all I explained last time, I am wasting my time. XX should pass through UDL. Oh, right. If I take A origin, and take a section here, it is not pass into UDL. But to make it pass to UDL, you can't take section here. Why? It should be between the last 2 points. Therefore, write a statement. In order that, see there, in order that the section XX passes through UDL, what you do is 90 kilometer. Anna, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ಕೋಗು ಬರಿತೀನಿ. Extend this UDL up to B. How much UDL? Same UDL. And where you extended UDL from F to B, where that UDL is extended, for that portion, introduce the same UDL in opposite direction, 18 kilonewton per meter. Now put that load, point load, lift it. Lift the point load slightly. Okay, now put the point load. How much? 90 kilonewton. Okay. This statement you are right. Tell me, fully clear? Last class, previous class, so much explained. First, if this step is not clear, don't attend my class. Only reason is you are not studying everything from my class. Just coming for a time pass. There you... Earlier, I came across a person, suddenly he will come and put a comment. I completely ignored. Coming once in a while and show off. Show off means what? I won't tell the names all. Doing show off. Suddenly he will ask, sir, why don't you do Carney's method now? Yes. That suggestions come that way. Why don't you Carney's method? Or why don't you start RCC? I do not use harsh words in the class. I will just ignore such people. I have seen such troublemakers. They think they are knowing too much. Then giving suggestions to me. Okay. Now write expression for bending moment at section XX. Okay, start. Bending moment at XX, that is called MX. See, sagging positive. Now red color is there. MX equal to, see correctly here. Look that side. Now you have to correctly come in order. Start. Before the reaction, couple is there. Minus 120. Why minus? I will not tell. Shouted class after class in SFD BMD class. So it is bending moment. Minus 120. I write here now. See, space problem. Minus 120, no into. See, no into. Why? Couple. Plus 105.2 multiplied by X. Then you are getting couple. See, if you see from here, that clockwise couple, bending moment will be plus 75. Tell yes or no? It is plus. Same couple, see, when you take a section here, look that side, same couple will be negative. See, I told you, if a couple is acting like this, if you look from this side, BM is plus. If you look from this side, BM is minus. Or if couple is this way, from here, BM is plus. From this side, BM minus. Everything thoroughly explained earlier. Okay. Plus 75. Now, plus 75 over, be careful. Next, minus 18, see, after 120, after reaction, after couple, not 60. Before 60, UDL starts here. 18 kN per meter for full length. How much? This is X, this is 4. 18 into minus 18 into X minus 4 is the total load. Yesterday thoroughly explained, into X minus 4 divided by 2 or X minus 4 whole square by 2. This also so thoroughly explained yesterday. Okay, then. Now UDL from here up to here over. Minus 60 into, see here, X minus 7. X minus 7. Lastly, see, this over, this over, this over, this UDL, this point load, not this point load. As you come here, next you are getting the upward UDL. So it is a upward UDL plus, not minus, plus 18 into, this is X, this is 12. How much it is? x minus 12 into x minus 12 by 2 whole square by 2. Not clear means study from yesterday's class. Lastly, minus 90 into x minus 14. I forgot one thing. When you mark here, see, this is 2, this is 4. You can see there, why 4? 4. This is 7, this is 12. Why 12? 12 because 4 plus 8, 12. Next is 15 minus 1, 14, then 15. This I forgot to tell you. Okay, start. Now equate to ei d square y by dx square. Okay, start. Now I will write here. Now next step. Now immediately make a note. Very, very powerful note. I will not tell once again. See, when you find bending moment here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here, 120 and 105, the 105.2 will always come. See, wherever you come here, this end couple and reaction or anything at the origin will always come. There is no bracket for that one. Yes or no? Anything at the origin, there is no bracket. Clear or not? Anything at the origin, there is no bracket. What into 4? What is that into 4? What is that into 4? Some into 4 I got. I don't know what is that into 4. Anything at the origin, no bracket. Now, suppose I want bending moment here. Will this couple will come or not? Tell me. Suppose I put x equal to more than 2 meter. Then this couple, suppose I am somewhere here. If I am somewhere here, that couple will come or not? First. That couple will come or not? Into minus 4. What minus 4? What is that into minus 4? I don't know. What is that old answer? Which old answer? Now I can't make out. Couple will come. But suppose I want bending moment here before 2 meter. See, suppose at 1 meter you want. Then if I look this way, this couple will come or not come? Tell me. If I want bending moment after A but before C, then that couple will come or not? Fast. These all you are right. No. That couple will not come. But if you see here, see 75 is there. How to know that that couple will come? See, this 75 is there here. Your easy method of ignoring the term which gives negative inside bracket will fail for 75. Why? When you substitute, you tell 75, no bracket. Clear or not? By mistake, you will consider 75. Tell yes or no. Because there is no bracket. This 75 should come only after what? Only after 2 meter. Till up to 2 meter, 75 should not come. But here it will come. Therefore, some correction required for couple. Make a big note. A correction is required for couple so that couple should be applicable only after that point. Till that point, see, this is 2 meter. The couple should not come. What to do is, see, when you do bending event here, it is simply 75. 75. Therefore, even if, see, for a couple, there is no into, only couple. Then even then, you multiply the couple with the distance. Tell me, how much distance if I do bending event here? 75 into, this is x, this is 2. You write x minus 2. X minus 2. As if it is a load. But actually wrong. Why? For couple, into is not there. So, to remove this term, what to do is, you make power 0. Clear? You make power 0. Clear? Clear or not? Make the power 0. Into minus 2. I don't know what is that into minus 2. Into minus 2, you are telling. X minus 2 to the power 0. So that, now see, now If x is less than 2, anyway, when you make power minus 0, answer is 1. So 75 will still remain. It will not affect the answer. Why? Anything power 0 is actually what? 1. Therefore, you multiply, so x minus 2 power 0, now you can make out. If you want x, anything within 2 meter, this term will not come. Why? Anything less than what? 2 meter, x minus 2 will give negative. This will give warning that this term is not there. Therefore, make a big note. In case of a couple, intermediate, if the couple is at the extreme end, there is no problem. There is no correction required. Simply bending moment couple, that's all. But if the couple is intermediate point, enter like this, then actually when you do bending moment, only couple, into is not there. Even then, multiply by the distance of the couple from the section XX, or you imagine as if it's a load 75 into what? X minus 2. But actually that into is not there. Therefore, to cancel that term or to make it ineffective, you raise the power to 0. Fully clear? Fast. Raise the power to 0 so that answer will not change. Fast. So that now this coupled term will be applicable only after x equal 2 meter. Clear or not? So that now this couple will be considered only after 2 meter. If clear, tell me. Over. Clear. Okay. Stop. Now, I will write here now. See, the space problem. Integrating. I will fast write. EI dy by dx. I will write little fast now. I won't waste the time. Dy by dx. That is at x. That is what? That is theta at x, left origin, anti-clockwise positive, equal to, start, a constant C1, then minus 120 into, when nothing is there, 120 into x, plus 105.2 into x becomes x square by 2, then minus, go there, minus, plus 75 into x minus 2 power 0 becomes x minus 2 to the power what? 0 plus 1. 1 divided by 1. And continue. And then minus 18 into x minus 4. X minus 4 square by 2 becomes cube by 6. Cube by 6. Actually, red color is not required. Cube by 6 minus 60 into x minus 7, x minus 7 whole square by 2, square can be whole square by 2 plus 18 into, 18, why 18 black red, plus 18 into x minus 12, x minus 12 cube by 6, then minus 90 into x minus 14, x minus 14 square by 2. This is going to be your slope equation. Slope equation. Now I will sit down and write. And correct idea? Minus 120 x square 120 105 power 120 into x 105 square by 2 power cube by 6 square by 2 cube by 6 square by 2. Okay. I will come down now. You can't see me. And again integrating again, you get EI y at any point x, sign convention upward positive, equal to C1 into x plus second constant C2 minus 120 into x becomes x square by 2 plus 105.2 into x square becomes x cube by 6 plus 75 into x minus 2, that x minus 2 to the power 1 becomes to the power 2 by 2, then minus 18 into your x minus 4 cube by 6 becomes power 4 by 24 minus 60 into that x minus 7 becomes x minus 7 cube by 6 plus 18 into x minus 12. X minus 12 power 4 by 24 lastly minus 90 into x minus 14 becomes x minus 14 square minus 14, where is it? Square by 2 becomes cube by 6 x minus 4 90 into x minus 14 cube divided by 6. This is going to be your deflection equation. Now you require what is the C1 value and what is the C2 value. My guarantee C2 0, not here. First you go there, get the C1 and come back and write. Okay, now to get the value of C1, C2. Okay, now one small sketch. See, right here. This is the beam, this is the elastic curve. This is A origin. This is your B. Your X goes this way. Actually, again, waste of time. At A, deflection equal to 0. At B, deflection equal to 0. You write, don't see this one now. This I can remove now. Why? Now that mx equation is not required. I have got full space here. I do not require that one now. Mx equation now not required. Why? Already used. Don't see this sketch. This sketch is for second solution. Do not see that sketch. This is later, not now. Or now, right here. First, your condition, your y at A equal to 0. Therefore, your y becomes 0 for x equal to 0. Substitute in deflection equation. You should substitute 0 equal to 0 plus C2 0 0. Stop. 0 minus 2 not applicable. You will get C2 equal to 0. If you are not able to get, better not continue in my class. Then next, deflection at B equal to 0. So your y becomes 0 for x equal to 15 meter. Substitute in deflection equation. See now. You substitute. 0 equal to C1 into 15 plus C2 is already 0 minus 120 into 15 square by 2. Now see, when you put x equal to 15, all terms are there. Plus 105.2 into 15 cube by 6 plus 75 into 15 minus 2 is what? Plus 13 square by 2 minus 18 into 15 minus 4. 11 power 4 by 24 minus 60 into 15 minus 7 is 8 cube by 6 plus 18 into 15 minus 12. 3 power 4 by 24. You will get the value of C1. Okay. Get the value of C1 and then I will tell you what to do. Get the value of C1. You should tell me the C1, C2 value now. Okay, now this question, time being, I am stopping. I will tell you why. Time being, I am stopping this question. Okay. Then I will go to incomplete. Incomplete. You tell. I will come back to you later. By that, now you should substitute and get me correctly C1 value. Okay, now when you write fair copy later, don't go to the next question. You continue this one. You go forward and copy and again come backward. Start. Now I will go for solution 2. To make perfection. That question, if I can't solve today, I will take a photo. I can solve once again next time. 10 minutes question. But why should I solve? I will take photograph. Okay, start. Write second time now. You tell. You wait for some time. I am continuing. C1, C2, your problem. Okay, start. Now, alter. Remember now, pending now. Solution 1 pending. Okay, start. After solution 1 is completely over, go to solution 2. Start. But later stage, solution 2. I will take B origin, take section XX between A and C. So therefore, see, now sketch is here. B origin, X goes this way. Section XX will come here. XX here. At section XX, at x from origin. Okay, x from origin. Now mark everything from there. 1, y1, 3, then from 15 minus 7 is 8, then 15 minus, how much it is? 4 is, oh, this is not 10 meter. How much this one? This is not 10, it's 10 I do. From 15, subtract 4, this is not 10 meter. This is 11 meter, see, print mistake, 11 meter. Then 15 minus 2 is 13 meter and 15 meter. Okay, now, right. Write equation for bending moment at xx. That is called mx here. Sagging positive equal to, see this section. No. Before that, statement required. It is required that section xx should pass through UDL. Oh, UDL stops here. Therefore, couple, anna couple, lift martini, you extend the UDL, write it up to here, and for C also I will remove C here. And for that portion, you introduce what? Your upward UDL. This all I told you. How much UDL? Once again, 18 kN per meter. Okay, then here clockwise couple of how much? 75 kilonewton meter. Okay, now start. BM here, look that side. First 45. See, bending moment minus 45 into nothing. Some will tell, sir, into x power 0, not required. If it is the origin, it is valid everywhere. So minus 45 plus 188.8 into x minus, in correct order, minus 90 into x minus 3 into x minus 3, then after 90 this UDL minus 18 into, this is x, this is 3, x minus 3 into x minus 3 by 2 is x minus 3 whole square by 2. After that one point load, minus 60 into x minus how much? Minus 8, x minus 8. Then before this couple, next, this upward UDL plus 1 plus y, this way bending moment, 18 into, this is x, this is 11, you have to write what? X minus 11 into x minus 11 by 2 or square by 2. Lastly, plus Allah minus, now see, this bending moment from this side, if you see, it is minus 75. No, you should not write 75 because it will come only after x equal to 13. Up to here, the couple should not come. So 75 into, see, x, this is x, this is 13, x minus 13, power 0. Why power 0? Because for couple, multiplying is not there. Multiply with power 0, 1. Equate to ei d square y by dx square. Okay, start. Next. Now, integrate 2 times. See, 1 minute now. I am removing the sketch now. Don't worry. I can see it. You correctly see now. I am removing it now. One more note. You should write. Since you take right hand origin, now your theta is clockwise positive. Remember. Since you take right side origin, theta is clockwise positive. Now start. Integrating ei what? dy by dx, that is dy by dx at the point x, or you can tell that is slope at x. Remember, right origin in clockwise positive equal to constant c1 minus 45 into x. You see the equation there. Then plus 188.8 into x square by 2, 188.8 into 188.8, 188.8, 8 into x square by 2. No, you should see the equation for BM. I can see it myself only. Actually, I am seeing here. Okay, I see here. Okay, saw everything. Minus 90 into x minus 1 whole square by 2 minus 18 into x minus 3 whole cube by 6 minus 60 into x minus 8 whole square by 2 plus 18 into x minus 11 power cube by 6 minus 75 into x minus 13 their power 0 power 1 by 1. This is your slope equation. Then once again integrate ei y at the point x upward positive yx upward positive equal to c1 minus 45 into x square by 2. Oh, c1, what is this one? First one, c1 into x plus c2 minus 45 into x square by 2 plus 188.8 into x square by 2 becomes x cube by 6 minus 90 into x minus 1 whole cube by 6 minus 18 into x minus 3 power 4 by 24 minus 60 into x minus 8 cube by 6 plus 18 into x minus 11 power 4 by 24 lastly minus 75 into x minus 13. See, this is the master question. 13 square by 2. This is going to be your deflection equation. Okay. Now, right. You calculate C1, C2. Calculation of C1 and C2. Put the elastic curve once again. Beam will bend like this. This is A, this is B. Origin is here. X goes this way now. X goes this way. Deflection at A0, deflection at B0. Right. Start from that side. Deflection at B equals 0. That is, y becomes 0 for x equals 0. Substitute in deflection equation. C2 will come 0. See. 0, 0, C2, 0, 0. Stop. Then, y at A equal to 0. Y at A equal to 0. Therefore, y becomes 0 for x equal to 15 meter. In deflection equation, 0 equal to C1 into 15 plus C2 is already 0 minus 45 into 15 square by 2 plus 188.8 into 15 cube by 6 minus 90 into 15 minus 1 plus 14 cube by 6 minus 18 into 15 minus 3, 12 power 4 by 24 minus 16 to 15 minus 8 is 7 cube by 6 plus 18 into 15 minus 11 plus 4 power 4 by 24 minus 75 into 15 minus 13, 2 cube by 6. Get the value of C1. Therefore, for this question, you got C1 value and also you remember C2 you got 0. Okay. Now, both the question will be simultaneously continued. But when I want this solution, I will come this side. When I want that solution, I will go that side. What you should do? You should make a fair copy of first this question. When I go there, skip the class, go further. Then once it's over, then see second solution. Don't mix up or have two papers. One paper right here. When I go there, continue there. Now, these are all not required. Why? None of them required. I can remove everything here. This all I can remove because why? None of them are required. Now we are ready for full solution. See, I will do one thing now. To save the time, I will give a shortcut for this question. But remember, not now, later. Okay, start. Now, for both solution, get me C1 value. You will get it now. Correctly tell me. Don't give wrong value. If you give wrong value of C1, full class gone. Later, answer will not tally. When you change the origin, answer will not come. You should not make mistake. Correctly substitute, get C1 value. I want at least 2-3 people to give identical answer. Okay. I will take 5 minutes break now. During that time, for the first question, get C1. For second question, get C1. You will do it now. I will come and continue and complete these 2 questions today. Both the questions I will complete. Okay, first, start. Get the value of C1 for both. I will take 5 minutes break. 5 minutes break I will take. Get C1 for both. I explained here. Here see, x equal to 15, y. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, C2 equal to 0. Don't waste time. X equal to 15, y equal to 0. There also, x equal to 15, y equal to 0. Correctly substitute. Get C1 here, get C1 there. That you should do. At least that much work you should do. Okay, start. Don't waste time. Start. Get me C1 for both. Correct answer I want. calculator here. Okay. First solution, I want C1 value. Only one person replied. Others not replied. Why? You should give the values. I don't know where I kept that pen when I went there. Somewhere I placed it. See, now missed it. Okay, okay. I'll manage it. Two, 7, 3, 5. Okay, okay. I better check it. I got doubt. So, okay. I'll fast check it now. Not much time. First question, your C1 will come. Where, which origin? A origin, correct? So it is, you don't bother how I calculate C1. Minus 120 into 15 square divided by 2 plus 105.2 into 15 cube divided by 6 plus 75 into 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 square divided by 2 minus 18 into 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 power 4 divided by 24 minus 60 into 8. 8 cube divided by 6. Then plus 18 into, that is how much gap there? That is 3 meter length of UDL. 3 meter means 12. 3 meter into 3. Into 3 cube, no, not 3 cube. 3 power 4 divided by 24 minus 90 into, that is only 1 meter. 1 divided by 6 divided by 10. 3595.75 I am getting. I am getting C1 3595.75. You are getting all wrong values. When my first origin is there, C1 is minus 35. What I am getting? See, why this much difficulty? 35. No. Something seriously wrong. I know it. Something seriously wrong. I'll check again. No. Something seriously wrong. 359 not possible. Okay. I'll check again. Minus 120 into 15 square divided by 2 plus 105.2 into 15 cube divided by 6 plus 75 into 15 minus 2 is 13 square divided by 2 minus 18 into 15 minus 4 is 11 power 4 divided by 24 minus 60 into 8 cube divided by 6 plus 18 into 3 power 4 divided by 24 minus 90 into just 1 cube divided by 6 divided by 10. 3595.75 is my answer. Correct. One extra 10 I divided. I am getting 3575 point something. See, you are telling originate A, C1 1149. How it is possible? C1 is 1149. How it is possible? I got, see, you are not seriously calculating. Correctly you should calculate. Different answer. Somebody telling A origin 6342. Somebody telling 2397. Somebody for B divide by 15, huh? Okay. No problem. Answer equal to into 15, into 10 divided by 15. 10 minutes is next question. 2397.1667. 239, correct, someone got it. Minus 2397.1667. Okay. C20, correct answer. Okay, now second solution, C1. This is not. Second solution, C1 is minus 45 into 15 square divided by 2 plus 188.8 into 15 cube divided by 6 minus 90 into 14 cube divided by 6 minus 18 into 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 power 4, 12 power 4 by 24 minus 60 into 50 minus 8 is 7. 7 cube divided by 6 plus 18 into 50 minus 11 is 4. 4 power 4 divided by 24 minus 75 into 2 square divided by 2 divided by 15. 2735 minus 2735.8333 is the answer. Correct? Tell me fast. Correct means okay. I got 2735. See, somebody telling if it is correct, tell me. B origin is 2827. I got minus 2735.833. 3751. 27. Nandakumar got correctly. 2735.8333. Okay. Correct. Okay, leave it now. Now see, don't waste time now. See what now. What I will do is, I will write answer here. See, correctly tell me. Now you should do it. I cannot waste time on all these things. I will complete the question. See, I will tell what is required. What is required? Okay, 1 minute. Space problem is there. Okay, I will some little more space required. Okay. I will write here. Okay. What is required? I will write here. What is required? One by one. Then, how much is X? How much is X for that one? How much is X? X for that one. Okay. Red color is not there. Okay. How much is the X value for that one? X value for that one. X value for that one. Okay. Then, after X value for that one, what is the answer? What is the theta there? And also, what is the deflection there? Okay, start. Correctly see. I will tell you first, solution 1. Solution 1, that is your A origin. A origin. I write here. Required theta A. Required theta B. Theta A, theta B. Then required theta C. Required deflection at C. Required theta D. Then deflection at D. Then how many are there? Required theta E. Okay. Then required deflection at E. Then required theta at F. Deflection at F. Okay. I should go this side. Okay. Deflection at F. Then theta G. Theta G, deflection at G you require. Tell correctly what is the answer. Every theta is in radian. Every deflection is in meter. Remember, deflection theta is in radian. Deflection is in meter. Tell me answer. To get theta A, put X equal to, fast. Solution 1. To get theta A, put X equal to. You first tell me X value. Sufficient for me. To solution 1 I am telling. Sufficient for me. To solution 1 I am telling. You continue first question. Solution 1. To get theta A, put X equal. You continue first question. Solution 1. To get theta A, put X equal to, fast. X equal to. Keep on typing. X equal to. I want theta A there. Oh, this much difficulty means class cannot be continued. See, X equal to 0. I will tell theta B, X equal to 15 meter. It in meter. Why waste time? 15. Okay. You write correctly. First write solution 1, continue. To get theta A, substitute X equal to 0 in slope equation. Complete. To get slope and deflection at C, put X equal to 2 meter. If you want slope, in slope equation, deflection 2 meter. To get slope and deflection at D, put x equal to 4 meter. To get slope and deflection at E, put x equal to 7 meter. To get slope and deflection at F, put x equal to 12 meter. To get slope and deflection at G, put x equal to 14 meter. Remember, 14, 14. Okay. Now, very careful. You should not consider the term which gives negative inside the bracket. These all known for you. When you substitute, this is not first time. I'll keep on writing the answer. First you get the answer with sign. Then you remove the sign and put answer. Theta A will come 2397.1667. 2397.1667 by EI radian in clockwise direction. Theta B will come, I will compute now. Theta B will come 2735.8333 by EI radian anti-clockwise. Slope at C will come, where is C1? Minus 2397.1667. I will store in memory. Store A. Okay. Then other one is minus 2735.8333. I will store in memory B. So that shift store A is that C1, shift store B is this C1. Okay. Oh, Allah. Minus 2735.8333. Shift store B. Shift store A is 2397 point something. Shift store B is 2735. Theta C will come. Shift store A C1 minus x equal 2 meter. 120 into 2 plus 105.2 into 2 square divided by 2. 2 square divided by 2, that's all. 70, that's all. It will come 24. Little more theta will come because of the couple. 2426.667 by EI clockwise. If anything is wrong, check that one. Okay, I'll check once again. I got doubt. Shift store A, C1 equal to C1 minus 120 into how much? 120 into 2 plus 105.2 into 2 square divided by 2. 2426 correct. And deflection at C will come. Shift store A into 2. Shift A into 2 minus 120 into 2 square divided by 2 plus 105.2 into 8 divided by 6. 4994.067 by EI meter down. Then slope, little problem here, see, space problem, see, okay. Then this one, theta D, put x equal to 4 meter. Shift store A minus 120 into 4 plus 105.2 into 4 square divided by 2 minus 0 plus 75 into 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes, that's all. 1885.567 by EI radian in the clockwise direction. Deflection at D will come. Shift store A into 4 plus 0 minus 120 into 4 square divided by 2 plus 105.2 into 64 divided by 6. Okay. 9426.533 divided by EI meter down. Then to get the slope and deflection at E, put x equal 7 meter. 1 minute now. I'll manage somehow. Shift store A, C1 minus 120 into 7 plus 105.2 into 7 square divided by 2 plus 75 into 7 minus 2 is 5 minus 18 into 7 minus 4 is 3 cube is 27 divided by 6. That's all. 365 point slope at E. 365.767 by EI radian clockwise. That is slope at E. Then deflection at E. Shift over A into 7 minus 120 into 7 square divided by 2 plus 105.2 into 7 cube divided by 6 plus 75 into 5 square divided by 2 minus 18 into minus 18 into how much it is? Into 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 more number 81 divided by 24. It will come 1 2 where see I am dividing here now. This answer 7 with deflection 12829 point. Oh, I am writing both the answer. I got space here. I forgot. Okay, space is there. I am writing theta and y both. Okay. Required theta and y both. Y will be in meter. Theta will be in radian. Okay. Both I am writing. Only one column required. Okay. Then 12829.48484 by EI meter. Then to get slope and deflection at F, put x equal to 12 meter. I will do one thing now. I will use that side. You don't do those things. Slope C1. Shift toward B. You don't do that one. B C1 minus 45 into 3. 45 into 3 plus 188.8 into 9 divided by 2 minus 90 into 3 minus 2 is 2. 2 square divided by 2. Next term is not there. Slope at the slope will come 2 to which one? Slope 2 to 01.233 by EI radian in the anti-clockwise direction. Then deflection at, then this is slope at F. Okay, now deflection at F will come shift toward B into 3 or B into 3 minus 45 into 3 square divided by 2 plus 188.8 into 3 cube 27 divided by 6 minus 90 into 8 divided by 6. That's all? No, not over. Minus 18 into minus 80. Where I am doing? At F. X equal to minus 18 into 2. It is not there. It is not into 0. Deflection will come 7680.4 by EI meter down. Then theta G will come shift toward B minus 120 into 1 plus 105.2 into 1 meter 1. Oh, I should not use that equation. I should use this equation. See, I am seeing there. That's why here. I don't know whether for theta I used which equation. I'll just check once again. Correct. Here 14 meter. C1. C1 is shift toward B minus 45 into 1 plus 188.8 into 1 divided by 2. Theta will come 2686.433 by EI radian anti-clockwise. Deflection will come shift toward B into 1 then minus 45 into 1 divided by 2 plus 188.8 into 1 divided by 6. 2726.867 by EI meter down will come. Okay. Now Lastly pending is solution A, maximum deflection. Maximum deflection pending. I will give homework for you. 1 minute now. Maximum deflection I will give for you after everything is over. Okay, start. Now tell the solution A. Wait for some time. Go to solution B. C1, C2 over. See, tell me answer. I will tell you. To get slope at A, put x equal to 15 meter. To get slope at B, put x equal to 0. To get slope and deflection at C, put x equal to 13 meter. 13 meter. To get slope and deflection at D, put x equal to 11 meter. 11 meter. To get slope and deflection at E, put x equal to 8 meter. 8 meter. To get slope and deflection at F, put x equal to 3 meter. 3 meter. To get slope and deflection at G, put x equal to 1 meter. Okay. Clear or not? First, use the second solution. Clear? First, clear or not? Solution. After first solution, go to second solution. Don't do table. You write systematically. Clear or not? Write systematically. Don't make a table. Everything you write. To get slope here, to get slope there, what to do, what to do, what to do all. First tell me, clear or not? Second solution, x from B or substitute. You are not telling, clear or not. If it is clear, I will go to y maximum then. Lastly, which is for you? No answer. That homework I will take photograph, explain next time. Why? It is actually, that extension is not required. UDL from the end. This is the worst question. You are not answering, whether clear or not. Not answering whether clear or not. Change the x limit for x. One clear means okay. See, I am asking repeatedly. Voice is audible. See. You have to get stopped there. What to? Oh, I cannot take the class. If this way, if no comment comes, if you do not at least type clear. Okay, what to do? Leave it. Now, so now I will calculate fast. Oh, okay, all over. Same answer will come, my guarantee. Now, make a note. By chance, if there is any mistake in the reaction mistake is not there, I was careful, or in C1, C2, value will not tally, then you, what you do? Then you correct it and check the answer. When you correct everything, perfect answer will come. Okay, now, lastly, everything over. See, last part. Calculation of y maximum. Last step. Y maximum. I will give homework for you. Little work is there. Tell the answer. Fast. See here. This beam, when it bends, likely that y maximum is between E and F. See here. I cannot tell. It is between. Likely chance is between E and F. Or you can confirm it. How? Find the slope at E. Find the slope at F. See. Your slope at E came clockwise. Slope at F came anti-clockwise. Oh, correct. This point slope came clockwise. This point slope came anti-clockwise. Therefore, y maximum is somewhere here. Here also, somewhere here. This question at x from A, that question x from B. Now correctly listen what I am telling. Continue y maximum for question number solution 1. Y max will take place between E and F. E and F. Okay. Let it be at x from here. Therefore, your x is surely 100%. Your x is more than 7 meter but less than 12 meter. If it is after E, between F, from A origin, more than 7, less than 12. At that point, slope should be 0. Equate the slope to 0 for x more than 7, less than 12. Yes, 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 yes. No. 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 Yes. Why? X minus 7. Yes. Stop here. Why? Since x is more than 7, all this, see, x minus 7 is positive. But this, you should stop here. Should not use the further terms, because why? They will give negative inside the bracket. Correctly get the value of x. It will be a cubic equation. Solve the calculator. I don't know x value. Just for fun I will tell you. Span 15 meter. Say 7.8 meter. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. You get correctly up to 4 decimal. 4 decimal get it. Just to give information, say 7.8. Wrong value. Okay, now substitute x equal to 7.8 meter, not 7.8. Whatever is that value of x, in deflection equation, get the maximum deflection for solution 1. Okay, keep it now. Start. Solution 2, maximum deflection. Again, between F and E means x should be more than 3 meter. Here, x should be more than 3 meter, less than 8 meter. So, equate the theta 0 for x more than 3, less than 8. Yes. Yes means it is there. Yes. 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 Stop. Stop here. Why? Because your x is less than 8 meter means x minus 8 will be negative inside the bracket. Stop here. You get the value of x. If you get x equal to 7.8 meter, here x will come 7.2 meter. If you get x equal to 7.9 meter, x will come 7.1 meter. If x comes to 8 meter, x will come 7 meter. If x comes to more than 7.4 meter, that x will come 7.6 meter. Or because why? Point will remain there only. Here you get the point distance from left hand, there from right hand. So this x and that x, if you add, you have to get 15 meter. Or once you know how much is this distance from solution 1, solution 2 you get from here. Once you know this distance, from 15 subtract, it has to come same. That is guaranteed in my class. Then that x value, substitute in deflection equation, use only applicable term, get y maximum. Y max for solution 1, y max for solution 2, both should be identical answer. If there is no mistake, by chance if there is any calculation mistake, either from my side or your side, don't make a issue. Such a lengthy calculation, mistakes are bound to come. And long back, I was very fast in calculator. Nowadays, when I stand this way, I cannot do calculation. I can do fast calculation only if I sit in a table. So the moment I change to board, even then in the class, offline class, see what I do. Suppose I want to answer, I won't stand near the board. I will take a rough paper from someone, somewhere sit with you and fast get the answer there. You have seen that one. I never solve from seeing the board there, because I will come to a bench and I will ask him, "Sal pakade hogi, thoda us taraf jao." I will make a place for myself and fast to the calculation. That's what I will do. Standing this way, difficult to calculate. So, subject to calculation check, answer should tally both of them. Now, that question, I'll take photo and give, that is nothing. See, one question, UDL is this side. So, take section here. Other question, UDL is this side. See, this is x, this is x. So, compare here, extension is not required. Why? If the UDL is that side, take this origin. So, direct answer. If UDL is this side, take that origin. Problem comes when the UDL is the middle portion. Worst question we covered. Also we covered when couple is there, what happens. Okay, now you got to see, today is Friday, another 4 days, Saturday, tomorrow Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You got 4 full days, or 3 hours and 22.3 days and 22.5 hours left for starting of next class. So by that time, correctly solve, make fair copy. Solve solution 1, complete, then go to solution 2. If any mistake is there, I am not changing in the YouTube, let it be there. I am telling repeatedly, subject to calculation mistake, that means always nothing to worry. Concept is more important. Now, if I ask you clear everything, again you won't answer. No. From past 10 minutes, no comment came from you. See, I don't know any problem in the voice, nothing known. Okay.
3 hours set.
No, it's there, voice is clear. Okay, I'll conclude now. That question will take a photo. Why photo? I can as well prepare a new question also. But no, once I solved here, see, light line I wrote the answers. That next time I write, I can do one thing. Next time before the class, I can write one question here and one question here. Ask you to take the screenshot. Instead of wasting time, I will go to new concept then. Okay, thank you. Time over.